All right, so here's what we were trying to do. One of our customers had a very messy HubSpot. We had cleaned up their 2024 data, but their 2025 data, but their 2024 data was messy. We updated the lifecycle stages, but the problem is that once, even after you update the lifecycle stages, the date stamps of when those lifecycle stages happen don't clear out. So you kind of have to do that manually. No, this was 2024 data. So it's very hard to remember when somebody became an MQL versus SQL and that data was not there anymore. And we had to backfill it. We couldn't do this manually because there are about 60,000 contacts. So here's what we did. Used Claude and ChatGPT to sort of help me set up a script in HubSpot. Actually, before even doing that, I uploaded the meeting transcript and where we discussed the problem and some of the solution, which was to backfill some of the data based on the earliest stage and then add a 60-day to it. So somebody was created on a certain date, and then we just assumed that after 30 days they became an MQL. So once we backfilled that MQL date, we just used that 60-day reference just to make it easier. The second thing I did was I uploaded this into ChatGPT or Claude. You can use ChatGPT or Claude. And then I told it, hey, this is what I'm trying to solve. What's my best way? It kind of read the meeting transcript and it understood, it got the context on what the problem is and what the proposed solution is. And then it helped me generate a Python script. I put that into Replit and then I uploaded the CSV file and then it went in and just like cleaned the data up for me. So here's like all the data cleaned up. So example, if somebody is a lifecycle stage of SQL, they should have a create, prospect, inquiry, MQL, SQL date, but they haven't left SQL date, so they are still in. They should still have an SQL. They should not have an SQL date exit, but it backfilled most of that data for me in within like under 1 hour. If I was doing this manually, it would have probably taken us a couple of days to do this across 50,000 contacts. This you can also, the other way you can do this is you can just upload the data into ChatGPT and just ask it to give it the complete logic. Like I apply some contact, and then ChatGPT can just run Python for you natively in the background without you opening up Replit, and it just does it for you. So really good use case for AI in marketing ops, especially because the work is very logical and it's kind of like based on certain steps. So it's more closer to what AI can do for you. Thank you. Hope this was helpful.